Density of 3 molar NaCl solution is 1.25 gram per ml. The molality of the solution is. So we have to find the molality. Okay. So first of all, write the formula. Molality is equal to number of mole of solute, that is NaCl, by mass of solvent, okay, in kilogram. This is the formula of molality. What is the information given to us? It is 3 molar NaCl solution. So let's write the meaning of that. 3 molar NaCl solution. It means the 3 mole NaCl is present in 1 liter of solution, or we can say 1000 ml of solution. This is the definition of molarity, that is number of mole of solute present in 1 liter of solution. Okay. Now, so in this above formula, we can put directly this 3 mole, that is the mole of solute. Okay. But make sure that the mass of solvent we have to put here in the denominator must be present in 1000 ml of solution. Okay. So density of solution is given. This is the density of solution. And you know the density of solution, density equal to mass of solution divided by volume of solution. Okay. So density is given 1.25 gram per ml. Mass of solution you don't know. And volume of solution is 1000 ml. So mass of solution will be 1.25 into 1000. That is 1250 gram. This is mass of solution. But here we have to put mass of solvent in kg, right? So mass of solvent will be what? Mass of solvent plus mass of solute basically form solution. So their mass will be equal, sum will be equal to mass of solution. And mass of solvent will be simply mass of solution minus mass of solute. Okay. The solution mass is 1250 gram. And solute is 3 mole NaCl. So 3 mole NaCl. Na is 23 and Cl is 35.5. So its formula mass will be 58.5. Okay. So if we just solve it, 58.5 into 3, right? You have to just solve it. Basically 58.5 into 3 we have to do, that will be 175.5. And if we subtract 1250, sorry, it from 1250, we will get 1074.5, that gram. This is mass of solvent and we have to put here. So that is 1074.5. Okay, but this is in gram, we have to convert in kg, so you have to divide by 1000. So overall it will be 3000 by 1074.5. Okay, and if you see carefully, we don't need to even solve it fully. 3000 by 1000 around 3, but this is slightly greater than 1000, so value will be slightly less, and the best option is 2.79. So here we will be getting 2.79. That's the final answer. Thank you.